Hey guys, are you getting an infinity loop on loading screen in your GTA Online? Well, you come to the right place. According to the GTA officials, GTA is actually using multiple ways to make the connection stable, and peer-to-peer is one of them. This feature makes your GTA Online directly communicates between every player's computers and sync it in real time. That will keep the connection stable. Well, some of the ISP and routers will block such things as a default, which results in bad connection and infinity loop. There are few methods that you can try which will help you fix such things. First of all, you need to check your network connections. So in order to do that, you have to go to the main menu of your GTA, and then you have to press the home key from your keyboard. It will open Rockstar Social Club menu, and from there you have to click the settings icon. That will take you to the profile page, and you have to click the network information to see the connection status. As you guys can see, my UPnP is actually disabled, which is the peer-to-peer system. Okay, now let me show you all the solutions that you can try. Let's begin, shall we? First, I'm going to make some network rules in our firewall settings. I will allow all the ports which is used on GTA Online. I'm using Avast firewall, so you can just configure it in your own firewall and your own antivirus software. I will name my network rules as GTA rules, so we can easily identify that. And the protocol should be TCP and UDP. And you should select the action as allow. And now you need to enter your local IP address here. You can easily find your IP address from the command prompt. You can go inside the command prompt by searching CMD from the start menu and execute the following command. As you guys can see, IPv4 address is your local IP address. You have to paste it in your firewall, and now you need to enter all the ports that you need to allow. The ports should be added after the comma. The local ports should be same as the remote port, so you have to enter it 2 times and both should be same. And once you have done that, click save. These ports are actually used in GTA Online. All these ports are mentioned in their official forums. If you don't want to set all these network rules, then you can just temporarily disable your firewall to test the connection. If the game actually worked, means you definitely need to configure the firewall regardless. And make sure to remember that if you disable your antivirus firewall, your default Windows firewall will be enabled automatically. So you need to disable both of them in order to see the proper results. Now we have done the firewall configuration successfully. Now it's time for us to configure the router. The interface could be different depending on your router model, and the procedure is similar. You need to set up the port forwarding in your router, and this will increase your network stability for the GTA Online. You can find the gateway address from the same command that we used earlier in the command prompt. Just copy the default gateway IP address and paste it in your browser. It will ask you to enter the username and password, and in most cases the username and password would be admin and admin, and some routers will have their username and password printed on back of your internet router. If you couldn't find it, then just search Google for the password with your router model number. Once you logged into your router, search for the port forwarding. You can most likely find it in Internet tab and inside Security tab. From there, you have to select the protocol as UDP and enter names to identify. You can choose any name you want. And now you have to paste your local IP address right here. You can get it from the same command that we used earlier. Once you have done that, enter the ports just like me and click save. What I meant to say was apply. It's still the same thing. There are a few more ports that we should also forward. So just follow and do just like me. And now apply the setting, and there are a few more ports that we should forward. These two ports are not necessarily needed, but according to the GTA officials, these ports are also suggested to be forwarded, so I'm doing this regardless. And for the final step, you need to find UPnP inside our router settings and enable it. You can find this on local network in your router settings. Now you need to restart your GTA Online and go to the social club settings by pressing the home key and check the network status. If it still shows like NAT and other network settings were blocked, probably your ISP is blocking the ports from their side. If that happens, you need to contact your internet service provider for that. But for me, it is enabled after the configuration we did. So let's try go inside the GTA Online just to see if it works or not. I guess it works. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.